Habari na karibu sana. Welcome to our today's lesson. We are going to learn about personal pronouns. So the objective of this lesson is for you to be able to use personal pronouns in Swahili appropriately. So personal pronouns in Swahili is referred to as kiwakilishi nafsi. So let's start with the first person pronoun. In English, you say, I am from Kenya. So I goes with am in singular. In Swahili, it's going to be mimi ninatoka Kenya. So mimi goes with ni. In plural, we are from Kenya. In Swahili, sisi tunatoka Kenya. So we goes with are. Sisi in Swahili goes with tu. So for the second person pronoun, in English, you are from Kenya. That is in singular. In Swahili, it's going to be wewe unatoka Kenya. So wewe goes with u. In plural, you guys are from Kenya. In Swahili, nyinyi mnatoka Kenya. So nyinyi goes with m. So third person pronoun, he or she is from Kenya. In Swahili, it becomes yeye anatoka Kenya. There is no gender grouping in Swahili. Whether it's he or she, it will just become yeye anatoka Kenya. So yeye goes with a. He is yeye a. In plural, they or them, it becomes wao wanatoka Kenya. So wao goes with wa. So let's complete these sentences. Mimi dash natoka Kenya. Correct. Mimi ninatoka Kenya. Sisi dash natoka Ujerumani. Correct. Sisi tunatoka Ujerumani. Wewe dash natoka Ufaransa. Perfect. Wewe unatoka Ufaransa. Dash mnatoka Uingereza. Correct. Nyinyi mnatoka Uingereza. Yeye dash natoka Amerika. Correct. Yeye anatoka Amerika. Dash wanatoka Ujerumani. Perfect. Wao wanatoka Ujerumani. So that is all for today's lesson. Keep on practicing. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out our Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday lesson. So until next time, kwaheri.